What is soil erosion? The removal of the topsoil cover by water, wind, and human activities is called soil erosion. Man is responsible for this soil conditioning either through agriculture or through pollution like dumping of chemical wastes in the water bodies as well as underground. Now, what is soil erosion? How is soil eroded by water? First is sheet erosion. It occurs on the gentle slopes. It is a slow removal of a thin layer of the soil when the vegetation is destroyed. Rainwater washes away the thin layer of the bare soils. Then we have real erosion. When sheet erosion continues for a very long time, the silt-laden जो runoffs था, they form finger-like reels এর মতো হয়ে যায়, like reels or grooves, reels and grooves, like that. They are formed. This is called reel erosion. Now it is the intermediate stage between sheet erosion and gully erosion ka beach mein there is reel erosion. Then what is gully erosion? During heavy downpour, deep gullies are done on the bare soils on account of water runoff. Gully erosion removes the nutrients and heavy loads of loose soils, and the soil becomes totally unproductive. Then we have leaching, as I told you in the other video. After harvesting, farmers leave the soils bare for some time. Now during rainfall, the nutrients are leached or percolated below the top layer, and the top layer becomes totally uncultivable. Then we have sea or shore erosion. The tidal water of the sea causes considerable damage to the soil. The powerful waves dash against the coast and break, hanging the cliff rocks. The broken material is then removed by the retreating sea waves. Removed हो जाता है. This type of sea erosion is seen throughout the eastern and the western coasts of India. It is obtained. Then we have stream bank erosion. Streams and rivers, change their courses by cutting. They change their courses. They cut one bank and deposit the silt in the other one. During flash floods also, the damage is accelerated to a large extent.